MTAB Technology Center now brings you a complete learning management system designed for AMT with over 1,000 hours of e-learning content. Do you run a manufacturing company that needs personnel training on advanced manufacturing technologies? Or do you run an engineering institution that wants to deliver skill development on Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0, or the use of Internet of Things for smart factory automation, that's the future of manufacturing. And that future is already here.
That's why your personnel or students need more than just training in advanced manufacturing technology. They need a learning management system, LMS, designed for AMT, that is quick, simple to navigate, comprehensive and easy to access.
Welcome to MTAB Technology Center. MTC focuses on training in technologies such as CNCs, robotics, mechatronics and automation.
Partnering with industry leaders like Siemens and IHK of Germany and affiliated to sector skill organizations such as ASDC and IASC.
MTC also sets up centers of excellence in educational institutions and industries to bring the training to you. Now, MTC brings you all the expertise and knowledge on advanced manufacturing technologies via an advanced LMS delivered with state-of-the-art illustrated and interactive e-learning content delivered right to you at your desk, in your institution or establishment, or even at home. Highlights of MTC's LMS. Built on the popular Moodle platform. Runs on all popular operating systems such as Windows, Android and iOS. Works seamlessly on all devices, laptops, desktops, mobiles and tablets. Supports learning best practices such as space retrieval. MTC's LMS offers a two-tier control architecture, admin and student. Admin controls include enrolling students, including a bulk upload feature, assigning different users to different courses, tracking and managing users intuitively, viewing reports on dashboard, course-wise, user-wise through just a few clicks. Student features include viewing their courses and viewing self-reports, all on a comprehensive dashboard, and using social learning features to interact with other students and faculty. Developed in close consultation with industry experts from around the world. Has an easy-to-use, user-friendly interface. Supports self-paced and facilitated learning. Allows access of varied types of content including PPT, PDF, videos, assignments, etc. Ensures confirmation of actual consumption of content. And last but not the least, supported by intensive e-learning course content. MTC's digital library that comes bundled with the LMS offers you training, learning and reference material in all the major advanced manufacturing technologies.
Each technology is covered by functional modules such as operation, programming and maintenance, and the content of each module is presented in logical chapters.
The content undergoes periodical updates to keep them up to date and to match latest industry standards.
MTC's LMS includes over 1,000 hours of rich content spread over multiple courses on CNC, robotics, automation and mechatronics.
MTC's courses are widely accepted and are used for either self-study or corporate training or by skill development institutions across the world.
And the entire content comes free with MTC's LMS subscription.
MTC's e-learning courses are delivered through a simple subscription model. Just subscribe for each user and you are good to go. And join the revolution.